No, I need more tea. We're out here in the mall with Pennywise, Jason, and our tia, Yadira.
She looks like this.
Wait.
Like I used to kiss you.
Disagreement on how long it took us to get here. As you can see, the current time is 2:39. I mean, we were supposed to get here around 1. Yeah, what Denise said. Denise.
Minion wise.
When you don't have any money.
I brought money. Suckers. I brought money.
Okay.
Okay, we're here, guys.
We're here. Say hi to the camera, Hasten.
Hey, how's it going?
Yadira.
Adios.
Very cool. Show me around, Marian. What's happening?
I want to buy Peter a little brother.
Who? I don't know who Peter is. Oh, there's Pocky. This is my homeland. This is what I used to eat. What to cook? Chopsticks. I used to eat chopsticks too.
I've never tried these before.
They're good. I tried those.
Really?
Yeah. There's larger bubbles now.
Man, I'm just eyeing that Pocky.
I want to get one.
Oh, there's little sushi blankets. But they cost too much.
Where's Denise? Denise just dipped.
She bounced.
Yeah.
Where are the bigger ones?
Hey guys, look at that.
Which one?
Yeah, I saw it. I was
Place.
like,
Oh, look at that.
shit.
Right there.
I can never finish one of those. How many? That's
Well,
what it
I
takes.
mean,
I can finish one in 1 second. You can
Oh my god, gummy pizza. When she says she wants pizza.
Only the real brand.
Oh my.
What animes do you like, Jason?
Huh?
What?
I don't watch anime.
Freaking loser. I'm gonna get you a ninja poster.
Oh no.
I'm gonna get that for everybody. I'm gonna get ninja posters for everybody.
Let's get that bread, boys.
That's it.
Where did Denise
She
go?
went to the Vanillas area, like with the CDs and stuff. Oh, this is such a mood. I love this shirt so much. I want to get it.
What's it say?
It's a Clockworks Orange.
My sister, I would
It's that
FaceTime
edgy
her.
movie from the 70s.
Oh, I don't know what that is. Okay. Oh, there's Denise. Hey. Hey, buddy. Why do you have like, what's his name? Dan? What's his name? Phil?
No.
What was that?
Dean and Sam.
Oh, whoopsie. I thought that was Dan and Phil.
Trigger.
I wanna be tracers. What the hell? Why is there Fortnite?
Nintendo Switch, gaming,
Ew.
gamer 1000.
I'm gonna play Minecraft as a gamer. Don't know what I'm gonna get. I don't know.
K-pop.
Look, guys. Hand this to her. What's wrong, Pickle Rick? You want some Pickle Rick?
I'm sorry.
Yadira just disappeared. She logged out. She game ended. Oh, hey. It's me. Does it chirp? Actually, how much do those cost?
Huh?
How much do those cost?
I'm not sure. 24.
Oh, never mind.
Are you zooming into my face?
I'll do it now if you want. Look at me. Ew, I can see your pores. No!
Oh my god, guys, there's a giant Christmas tree. Christmas tree, Christmas tree, Christmas, Christmas tree.
Santa better
Oh
give me a
my god. Santa better give me a one.
I'm eating me some balls.
That's gay.
Hold your sandwich up.
This is a toy review channel. I got this.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, back away the camera.
Ah, hello. Mukbang. Mukbang. Mukbang.
She stole your Coke.
Mukbang. Mukbang. My rations. Yeah, drink that Sprite. Here we go. I got Sprite too. Cheers. I'm gonna zoom up on your face, okay? Cheers, sir. What's wrong with you? Manners. Hell yeah.
Wait, I didn't even taste this. I didn't even get what this tastes like.
Probably tastes like apple. Food review. What is it? What's it taste like? Tastes good? Gross? What?
It's okay.
It's okay?
It's the rations before Denise
Thank you. It tastes like. I'll give a review. This is so cheap. Where did you get this?
Kind of salty, little greasy.
Like you?
I mean, you can't say it's not true.
We're all greasy and salty here.
Oh my god, pay me like one of your french fries. Oh my god. The camera is focusing on this one guy in the background. You got any more fries? I want to have fry. Hell yes.
Yeah, I'm sure. I said.
Their fries are pretty good.
I have more fries to go around. You got that short standard still?
He doesn't like bread because it tastes like bread.
I'm just gonna mukbang
It
you.
looks like the bread they give out in Delta Airlines.
Bro,
I almost threw up.
I never got sandwiches. I got fucking peanuts.
That's still good. What? What?
Wait, hold on. Wait, look at me. Look at me.
You're like zooming into my pores. Stop.
Make a face. Make a face.
She's always making a face.
I know.
What she doesn't even mean it. She's like,
Yeah.
can't tell my phone's dead.
It's 3:40, so we better get skedaddling soon.
You hold it like this, you see this button, and you zoom in all the way in there. All the way where they can see your pores.
Thank you, master.
Marian. Hey, Sante.
Ooh, look at those rings. Oh wait, are those gauges?
Yeah.
I thought they were rings.
Really?
Look at these ones.
What? That wouldn't even fit on your finger.
Are you pet? Like
Those right there. That's what she's talking about.
oh, they look like rings.
There is no God.
You're getting this swirl actually. Hold on, let me catch it.
Yeah, I want you shall not pass.
You look gay.
I'm leaving.
What do you mean? I'm following you. I'm your cameraman. Trisha? Trish?
I want these. Henry?
Henry. That one. Henry. I'm Henry.
I'm gonna go hang out at Hot Topic.
Hot topic. I dropped my hot pocket. Go put it on. I want to see these bad boys. I thought you were gonna get the red ones.
Nah.
No?
I like these. This is I can't see through the red ones.
Ooh, those are cool on you though. Ooh.
I'm on that YouTuber.
On that YouTuber life.
10 cents per
That's a bacon
video.
soup.
The only viewers I have are my mom and me. On my different accounts on YouTube.
Oh no, it's being exposed. I should close this camera.
Yes, you should.
No.
Yes, Hamilton.
Oh, that's fun.
No, I want to fit you.
Man, this little bottle thing's so cute. What do you mean?
It's recording me.
Oh.
I'm the top star.
You wish,
celebrity.
shorty.
Commit suicide. Banished. And then
Ooh.
one of these.
Oh my god, I didn't recognize you there. I'm like looking for your other hairstyle. And I'm like, where's Jason? I'm like,
So I could have got this one.
Wait a second.
I'm like, who's this person? I'm like, oh wait, he got a haircut, Jason.
How much is this cost?
Okay, you noticed me for my hair and not the camera. That's clearly
You never
filming.
turned around. You were like this. I came from the other side.
Lead the way, shorty.
Okay, then I'm not gonna tell you when.
Oh my god. I mean, very, very tall person midget.
Alright, let's go.
They haven't noticed me. Let's see how long it takes. As you can see, they're speaking. Ooh. Hey.
That's me as a grandma.
Gosh. Oh jeez. Action. There, jab.
Started blasting
It's not a soul out there. You don't see my face. Give me all that.